Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0344 indicates an intermittent interruption in the camshaft position CMP sensor A circuit. This code triggers when the sensor, which plays a crucial role in detecting the timing of the intake camshaft, fails to send proper pulsing signals to the powertrain control module, PCM. Essentially, the CMP sensor A collaborates with the crankshaft position, CKP sensor, enabling the PCM to adjust the camshaft timing for optimal performance. If the signals from these sensors deviate from expected counts, the PCM identifies it as a malfunction. When 2 drive cycles are completed under specific conditions, this interruption results in the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, illuminating, thus marking the need for further diagnostics. Understanding DTC P0344 is essential for rectifying engine performance issues and ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently. In conclusion, understanding the implications of the DTC P0344 is crucial for maintaining the health of your Honda Accord. Following a systematic diagnostic approach allows for the accurate identification of the root cause of any issues. Repairing or replacing faulty components while consistently verifying repairs helps ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly. Furthermore, prioritizing preventive maintenance measures extends the life of components and minimizes the risk of similar DTCs arising in the future. Adhering to these best practices not only maintains vehicle performance, but also enhances the overall driving experience. A well-maintained vehicle is key to avoiding costly repairs and providing a reliable form of transport. The camshaft position CMP sensor A is integral to the engine management system. This sensor's primary function is to monitor the intake camshaft's position, providing voltage signals to the PCM that assist in determining proper ignition timing and fuel delivery. It is crucial for efficient engine operation, as it detects the angle of the camshaft in relation to the crankshaft's position. Predominantly located near the intake camshaft, this sensor is vulnerable to environmental elements or electrical interferences that could disrupt its functionality. When the PCM receives disrupted or erroneous signals, it triggers the DTC P0344 error code, indicating that the camshaft timing may be off. Regular checks and maintenance on this sensor can prevent operational issues associated with it. The DTC P0344 can arise from several underlying issues. First, electrical noise interruption in the CMP sensor A cam line can create an intermittent signal that the PCM can misinterpret. This noise can be due to damaged wiring, poor connections, or nearby electromagnetic interference. Second, the CMP sensor A itself can fail due to internal component damage or wear over time, leading to inadequate performance. Lastly, a failure within the PCM's internal circuits may prevent it from processing the signals from the CMP sensor accurately. It's vital to remember that while these are common causes, other issues could also lead to DTC P0344. A thorough diagnostic approach is required. Symptoms associated with DTC P0344 primarily stem from the disruptions in engine timing. An engine misfire may present, which occurs when combustion events do not happen in sync with the camshaft and crankshaft positions, leading to potential stalling or rough idling. Additionally, drivers may notice reduced power during acceleration, translating to an unsatisfactory driving experience. The malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will also be illuminated, serving as an alert from the vehicle's onboard diagnosis that a fault has been detected. Other issues, such as increased fuel consumption, may arise, making it crucial to address this DTC promptly. Early diagnosis and resolution can significantly enhance vehicle performance and reliability. Start your troubleshooting process by inspecting the wiring and connections associated with the CMP Sensor A. Ensure that the wiring harness is intact, with no visible signs of fraying or damage. It's essential to examine for electromagnetic interference that could disrupt the signals from the sensor to the PCM. A visual inspection for corrosion or loose connections can also uncover issues that may lead to DTC P0344 being triggered. If abnormalities are detected during this process, focus on repairing or replacing the damaged components to restore proper functionality. This foundational step is critical, since wiring issues often represent the first point of failure in sensor diagnostics. Next, you'll need to assess the CMP Sensor A's operational status directly. This includes testing the output voltage while the engine is running. Utilizing a multimeter, check if the CMP sensor sends consistent pulsing signals to the PCM. It's also important to conduct resistance tests on the sensor to determine if it falls within the manufacturer's specified range. If the readings are outside of the expected parameters, this signals that CMP Sensor A might be faulty and may need replacement. Verifying sensor functionality is crucial, as it directly impacts the engine's timing and performance. The next phase involves checking the powertrain control module (PCM) connections to guarantee they're secure and free from corrosion. A loose connection at the PCM can lead to erroneous readings, which may illuminate the DTC P0344. Subsequently, assess the performance of the PCM itself. This can often be intricate and may require specialized diagnostic equipment. Make sure also to confirm that the PCM software is updated to the latest version, as software bugs can occasionally lead to erroneous DTCs. Ensuring robust PCM performance is vital to interpreting sensor data accurately and achieving optimal engine operation. Once repairs are completed, it's essential to clear any stored DTCs from the PCM. Follow this by running the engine to check for immediate fault codes. A test drive is equally important to replicate driving conditions and ensure that the repair addressed the issues effectively. Monitor the vehicle for the return of any symptoms or the DTC P0344. Recurring errors indicate that further diagnosis may be required. Effective verification is crucial, as it confirms that the initial issue has been resolved. This ensures not only the resolution of the DTC, but also the restoration of vehicle performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0344, instituting routine preventive maintenance is essential. Regular checks on the CMP sensor and associated wiring can catch minor issues before they develop into serious problems. Inspecting the integrity of electrical connections as part of routine vehicle maintenance can be a game changer in ensuring reliability. Additionally, keeping the PCM software updated ensures that any known issues are mitigated before they can manifest. By applying these preventive measures consistently, the risk of recurring errors significantly diminishes, promoting long-term vehicle health. Proactive maintenance ensures optimal performance and reduces the likelihood of unexpected repairs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.